Other global problem, Your Holiness, as one of the most influential leaders in the world, how do you see the global economic crisis, which caused many people, millions of people losing job? What are your suggestions?
I don't know. I'm not economist. But I believe the economic crisis essentially our own creation, human beings' creation, man-made problem. So logically, man or humanity should have the potential or ability to overcome this problem. That's my fundamental belief. Then one thing, including economic crisis, many other social crises or violence, including terrorism, all these ultimately depend our attitude. You see, the insight, the attitude, which is the very strong sort of concept, we and they, and self-centered attitude, and short-sighted, not seeing holistic, then these things happen. So now, such sort of narrow-minded attitude is outdated. I think we already now get experience, you see, economic problem. One part of the world facing that crisis. It reached everywhere. Now, the ecology problem also. The whole world now facing these problems. And also population, now over 6 billion human beings. The natural resources also, there is indication of limitation. So now, time is gone. The concept of we and they. Now we have to work together as a one human family. For that, we need human affection. Instead of extreme competition or hatred or anger, rather look entire humanity as human brothers, sisters, and affection. And some problems here and there bound to happen, then try to solve through dialogue, through talk. In the spirit of dialogue, in the spirit of reconciliation. That's the only way. Economic crisis also. I'm not an economist. I'm just this ignorant person. So I asked some my friend, some businessman, some European, actually one Italian. So I asked recently, I don't know, the one way what's the market economy, one way human creation. But at the same time, that market economy looks, you see, beyond human control. So I do not understand. You see, people say now the force of market economy or force of market, you see, lead, you see, we human being. But the market itself created by human being. So I asked, you see, what is that? And he mentioned, ultimately, this crisis of economy, global economy, there, the human greed, a lack of contentment, and then lie, and too much speculation. These are the causing of this sort of problem. So, even if this economy, global sort of economic crisis, ultimately related with our emotion. deliberately speculation out of greed and also out of fear, then telling lie. Everything, right from the beginning, make clear, transparent. Then the people may not get this much shock. So these are, I think, lack of honesty, lack of transparent, and lack of compassion. Clear. So surgery, they remove my gallbladder. Now today, my body, not complete one organ missing.